Hello friends. Welcome to our channel where we discuss all things related to investing in the stock market. Today, we're going to talk about how to get profits in the stock market. The stock market. The stock market can be a great way to potentially grow your wealth over time. However, it's important to understand the basics of investing before you start putting your money into stocks. Profits. The first step to making profits in the stock market is to do your research. Before investing in any stock, make sure you research the company and the industry it operates in. Look at its financial statements, earnings reports, and any other relevant data that can help you make informed decisions. Diversify. It's also important to diversify your portfolio. Investing in a variety of stocks can help reduce your risk and increase your chances of making profits. Consider investing in different industries and sectors, as well as different types of assets such as bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Monitoring your investments is crucial. Keep track of your investments regularly and stay up to date on any news or events that could affect the companies you've invested in. Make adjustments to your portfolio as necessary to maximize your returns. Have long-term perspective. Having a long-term perspective is also important when investing in the stock market. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and focus on the long-term growth potential of your investments. Get professional advice. If you're unsure about how to invest in the stock market, consider seeking professional advice. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Watch the risk involved. Remember that investing in the stock market carries some level of risk. But by following these tips and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of making profits over the long term. Thank you for watching our video on how to get profits in the stock market. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.